That little orange light. You're driving, everything's fine, and then there it is. And your brain immediately goes somewhere bad. Is it the engine? Is it expensive? Am I going to make it home? So you do what everyone does. You drive it to a shop. You sit in the waiting room, flick through a magazine from 2 years ago, drink their terrible coffee, and wait. And eventually, someone comes out, hands you a piece of paper, and on that paper is a number, not for fixing anything, just for telling you what the light means. $120. $150 at a dealership could be $250 for a job that took them 45 seconds. Now let's talk about why this costs what it costs, because I don't want to be unfair here. The mechanic's time is worth something. A professional scanner, the full version they use, costs between $600 and $3,000. They have overhead, staff, rent. I get it. But here's the thing. The job of reading a code, not diagnosing, not fixing, just reading, takes less than a minute, and shops charge a full hour of labor for it. Anywhere from $100 to $230, depending on where you live. What they're really charging you for is the fact that you didn't know this port existed. There is a port in every single car made after 1996. It is a legal requirement, standardized across the entire industry so that any scanner, theirs or yours, reads the same data. And most people have never looked for it. I'm not saying mechanics are evil. Most of them aren't. But the diagnostic fee for a basic code read is a tax on not knowing. And after today, you stop paying it. So let's talk about what you're actually buying. The device is called an OBD2 scanner. OBD2. OBD stands for Onboard Diagnostics. The 2 means second generation, which is the system every car has used since 1996. This is not brand specific. It works on Toyota, Ford, Honda, BMW, Chevrolet, Kia, every make, every model, any car from 1996 onwards. Now, there are 2 main types, and I want you to know the difference. The first is a wired scanner, a handheld device with its own screen built in. You plug it in, the codes appear right there. No phone, no app, no Bluetooth. These run around $20 to $40 for a basic one. The second type is a Bluetooth dongle, a small plug that pairs with your phone through a free app, usually $15 to $25. For your first scanner, I'd go wired. One less thing to go wrong. Battery dies, Bluetooth drops, phone update breaks the app. None of that. You plug in, you read. Done. Using it is straightforward. You find the port under the left side of your dashboard, near the steering column. Sometimes has a small plastic cover. Sometimes it doesn't. You plug the scanner in, turn your key to the on position. Engine doesn't need to be running for this. Wait about 15 seconds, and codes appear on the screen. Write them down. That's your starting point. Now, what do those codes actually mean? I'm going to walk you through the 3 most common ones, because here's what nobody really tells you. Some of these codes look frightening, and mechanics know that. And some of them use it. Code 1, P0420. This is the most searched engine code on the internet. It says, catalyst system efficiency below threshold, which sounds terrifying. What it usually means is your catalytic converter, the emissions part of your exhaust system, is getting old, or running less efficiently. Now, a shop will often quote you $800 to $2,000 to replace the converter, right away, on the spot. So if you see P0420, don't panic. Don't authorize a converter replacement on the spot. Ask them to check the oxygen sensors first. Ask them to look for exhaust leaks first. Or Look it up yourself. Understand your options, then decide.